Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you the easy and clear steps on how to change Translate Language Microsoft Outlook on computer. So how to change Translate Language Microsoft Outlook on computer? Make sure you keep watching this video until the end. Let's get started right away. Firstly, just go to Microsoft Outlook on your computer. And this is the initial display on Microsoft Outlook. To change the translate language, just go. Direct the cursor to the upper right corner of the computer screen. Here there is a setting icon. And tap. Here there are many menu options that you can use. Select the Mail menu. Now in the Mail menu there are many menus. Tap the Message Handling menu. In this menu, scroll down to find the Translate menu. Message into the Send. And tap. Now here there are many language options that you can use for translation. Scroll down to find more languages that can be selected. So that's it, the tutorial how to change Translate Language Microsoft Outlook on computer. Thank you for watching. I hope this video is useful. See you in the next video.